Hi, Achy Dad here. Got an achy neck, but otherwise it's just from sleeping wrong. And it's fall here. Pretty soon the rain that I'm in now will be snow. So I went over to V-Bike Solutions, our local nonprofit that is a amazing bike evangelist run by Dave, to see what people might use in the winter for riding bikes, especially electric assist bikes, family cargo bikes. Let's see what Dave has to say in terms of good equipment.
Hey, I'm Dave with V-Bike, and that's vbikesolutions.org. I wanted to talk about winter biking, but this is a little too hot right now because it's mid-October and we've got like a little heat wave going, but it's going to start getting cold soon. So I just wanted to make sure people know about things you can do to extend your season, get out there, whether it's raining, hailing, or snowing, or maybe even an ice storm, you can still ride. It's pretty amazing what people are doing. First thing is keeping your head nice and warm. Got a balaclava, a little got a helmet cap that goes underneath your helmet. People also have helmet coverings. Also wear glasses. Sometimes people wear goggles. I use clear glasses or lightly tinted glasses. Usually keeps the snow out of my eyes and things like that. Keeping hands warm is really important. I tend to wear really big gloves. Usually I'll get an extra size large, like extra large gloves, and then I'll be able to put liners inside of it. Also use neoprene gloves as well. They're really useful if it's raining, it's cold rain. That's for diving. The divers have to stay warm too. If you really want to keep your hands warm, you can also attach these bar mitts onto handlebars. Goes right over the handlebars, and you put your hands right inside, or with your gloves. Keeps you super warm. It's really toasty inside, so bar mitts are great. If you have a kid that's having a bar mitzvah, it's also a great thing to give. Bar mitts, you get it. One of the more important things, one of the real important things that folks tend not to know about is you can get studded tires for your bikes. There's all different kinds of studded tires. This is the Ice Spiker from Schwalbe. It has maybe around 290 some odd spikes in it, or studs. It's really beefy, great for control. You can get a less studded tire like this one, the Winter Marathon from Schwalbe. Probably has around a little over like 200 studs. I think this one is like 210, 220. Really great control. So studded tires don't exactly help you with the snow so much. That you have to learn, but they'll help you with the ice because you don't want to slip on ice. And then there's a lot of stuff to learn. You can learn on our website. We've got some information about riding in the winter, and if you look up websites like Ice Bike, you'll find a lot of great information on the internet. And if you live in Vermont, you can always call V-Bike if you're interested in winter biking. It's a heck of a lot of fun, really.
Right on, man. We're lucky to have you in the area, Dave. All right, everybody, stay safe out there.